It's me, Miss Miguel, your PE teacher, your physical phalange. Nope, that's not. Phalange teacher. Your physical education phalange. It's time to warm up our engines to prevent injury, and because we cannot stretch cold muscles. Do not. We will not. So we're gonna go here with a jog. Make sure your feet are coming up off the ground. We're gonna do a jog, and then we're gonna do hip twist. Okay? Jogging. Ready for another hip twist? Go. If you wanna add some hip twists in on your own, go for it. I'll tell you when I'm gonna do mine. Ready? Go. Hip twist. Hip twist. And we're jogging. Good. Let's do 2 hip twists. Twist, twist. 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 Double twist. Hip twist.
Hip twist, phalange, warm up, check.
We're gonna start with our standing straddle stretch. We did this one on the ground earlier in the week. We're gonna go to the center. Let's make sure our knees are locked. We're gonna go to the center, to the side, to the other side, to the side again. You can feel that on your hamstrings, right there on the back of your thigh. And center. We're going to stretch our quad muscles, so we're going to actually sit on the back of our feet and just feel that stretch here. If you don't feel enough of a stretch, lean back as far as you'd like to. We're going to stretch our obliques and our back, so we're still in this position from that quad stretch, but we're going to be on all fours. And what we're gonna do is keep one hand here, and we're gonna stretch over to the side and then lean our body forward. And we're gonna switch to the other side. We're gonna bring this arm here and lean our body forward. Let's stretch our hip flexors. So we're gonna go forward here, and we're gonna bring our knee down to the ground and just lean forward, forward, forward. We're gonna switch sides of our knees and lean forward. Good. Lots of parts of our body are getting stretched with this one. Ankle roll. Reverse. Switch. Reverse. Spider-Man. Sit down on the back of this foot. Good. If you want to add more stretching to this, you can reach for your toes, or you can just stay in this position here. Let's switch. Spider-Man. Today we're going to continue to explore our phalanges, do another ab exercise, eat some oxygen, do push-ups.
Make a french fry that's longer than every playground slide in the world.
No, we're not. Do curl-ups, trunk lifts, and record our BPM, our beats per minute, our heart rate. Phalanges, let's snap it. Phalanges. Let's snap it again. Phalanges. This is how it's spelled. This is kind of how it sounds. But this is how it's spelled.
The phalange bones were created by Madame Regine Phalange in Paris, France in 1923. This is real French lady.
So Boney wanted to show you guys his phalanges. So his phalanges are here, from here up, from here up. I told you yesterday that we have phalanges in our toes as well. So we're gonna show you Boney's phalanges on his toes. Let's bring that foot down a little bit. Sorry, Boney. He stretched, so he's good. So our phalanges down here are the ends, just like they're at the ends of our fingertips. The area that the black gloves are covering are my phalanges. My phalanges are also here too, but I wanted to show you on this hand what they would look like singled out. So specifically, this area are the phalanges, and we have the phalanges on our toes too.
Say phalanges 4 times right now.
Phalanges, 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 phalanges. Here's our final ab exercise of the week. We're gonna bring our feet up and we're just going to switch our feet. Go ahead and follow me. Patella, tibia, fibula, cranium, sternum, and femur, humerus, radius, and ulna, phalanges and mandible too, and many more. Y muchos más. Next up, push-ups. First, bend your knees and squat down. Crawl forward and get on your tiptoes. Remember, no booty mountain and no booty valley. Now let's talk about tus manos, your hands.
They need to be pointed forwards. They cannot be turned inwards. And they cannot be turned outwards. They must be turned forwards.
And we can't forget our elbows 90-degree angle. When you go down to touch your chest to the box, try to get your elbow as close to a 90-degree angle as possible. If you are still having difficulty with push-ups, you can change over to modified push-ups. Modified push-ups are a way to train for push-ups by taking some of the weight off of your upper body. The difference between modified push-ups and push-ups is that your knees are touching the ground. Okay, exercisers, it's goal time again. What is your push-up goal for today? Are you going to try to do 2, 4? Are you going to try to go all the way to 10? Whatever your goal is, make sure it's either the same as yesterday or at least one more.
We'll now begin the push-up section. Ready? Begin. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3, down, up, 4, down, up, 5, down, up, 6, down, up, 7, down, up, 8, down, up, 9, down, up, 10.
What is your curl-up goal, exercisers? Is it 1? Is it 6? Or maybe you're trying to go all the way to 12 today. Make sure your goal today is either the same as yesterday or one more than yesterday at the very least. If you do need someone to hold your feet down, that's okay if your curl-ups are looking like this. Remember, feet flat, hands flat, knees to the sky. Make sure your hands are sliding forward across the ground with each curl up. If you need someone to hold your feet, here are a few different ways they can do that. And if there's no one available to help you, remember you can always put something heavy on your feet or put your feet underneath a chair or couch.
We'll begin the curl-ups now. Ready? Begin. Up, down, 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 3, up, down, 4, up, down, 5, up, down, 6, up, down, 7, up, down, 8, up, down, 9, up, down, 10, up, down, 11, up, down, 12,
And now we're moving on to trunk lifts. You're going to lay down on your stomach. You're going to make sure your palms are facing up. And you're going to lift up, bringing your chin up as far as you can. Let's do 5 trunk lifts together. Up. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Put your phalanges up. Say phalanges with me 3 times. Phalanges, phalanges, phalanges. 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat, 10 beat, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6.
Oh, yes! Hello! Hey, guys, it's me, BPM Girl, and we're about to... I said my words too fast. Sometimes I do that. I get really excited. Roll that clip of the song.
10 beat 6, 10 beat, 10 beat, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat 6, 10 beat, 10 beat, 10 beat 6, 10 beats times 6.
Okay, we're going to be recording our 10 beat 6, our BPM, our heart rate today. So let's find our pulse. Okay, feels like that little tiny heartbeat in my throat. Found it. Here we go. We're going to count our beats for 10 seconds straight. Ready? Go. Stop. Okay, here we have the 10 beat 6 board again, and 10 represents the number of seconds that we counted our beats for. Beat represents how many beats we counted during those 10 seconds. I counted 11. 6 represents groups of 10 seconds. So 6 times 10 is equal to 60, and 60 seconds are equal to 1 minute. Beats per minute, girl, for your heart rate. Okay, anyways, so I could stack this up and do 11 times 6, but I know 11 times 6 by heart. I don't have to actually do the math because I have that one memorized. I know 11 times 6 is 66. So that means my BPM is 66. What was yours? Tell me. Please tell me. Are these my phalanges? Those are my teeth. Is this my phalanges? This thing? That's my mandible. Are these my phalanges? Oh yeah, these are my phalanges. Just like we need to warm up our muscles to prevent injury, we need to cool them down. So we're gonna do our go-to, our usual cool down, and we're gonna breathe in through our nose. Arms are going up above your head and out through your mouth. In, out, in, out, in, out. Last set, in and out. Question.
Do we have phalanges on our hands and feet? The correct answer is...
Oh yeah, these are my phalanges. We have phalanges in our toes as well. So we're gonna show you Boney's phalanges on his toes.
Yes.